addition, image retrieval systems allow users to find images that are visually similar to a query image. This is achieved by comparing the embeddings of the query image with those of a large image database. Process. Embedding database. A vector database stores embeddings of a large collection of images. Query processing. A query image is embedded using a pre-trained model, and cosine similarity is computed with the embeddings in the database. Top Kike retrieval. The images with the highest cosine similarity scores are retrieved as relevant results. Recommendation systems. Role. Image recommendation systems use cosine similarity to suggest visually similar products or items to users based on their browsing or purchasing history. Example. An e-commerce platform like ASOS might use image embeddings to recommend similar clothing items to a customer based on an image they clicked on. Let's deep dive the high-level overview of the vector search and get the end-to-end application workflow of how you can enable and use vector search. The first step is to convert the existing data into vector embeddings and store in vector database. That's because vector embedding captures the unstructured data beyond text, such as videos, images, and audio. You can enhance the search experience by combining vector search with filtering and aggregations to optimize relevance by implementing a hybrid search and combining it with traditional scoring. In the second step, we build our knowledge-based index, a vector representation of data used to optimize the retrieval of information from a large collection of data. Once this process is complete, we fetch the relevant documents from the vector store based on a search algorithm. The aim is to identify the most relevant documents that likely contain the information requested by a user. Finally, that we have all the components in place, we can pass the query to get relevant documents based on similarity search and find the nearest neighbors to a given vectorized query. Where traditional search relies on mentions of keywords, lexical similarity, and the frequency of word occurrences, vector search engines use distances in the embedding space to represent similarity. Finding related data becomes searching for nearest neighbors of your query. Vector search use cases. Vector search powers semantic or similarity search. Since the meaning and context is captured in the embedding, vector search finds what users mean without requiring an exact keyword match. It works with textual data, documents, images, and audio. Easily and quickly find products that are similar or related to their query. Recommendations. The model that generates the embedding learns to recognize similar documents and their vectors in the embedding space. For example, an application may recommend movies or products that others who purchased the one you bought also liked. But make sure that the embeddings are derived with some measure of popularity or likability as the target metric. To build a technology stack for